Hey friends, this is Mrs. Durham with the University of Louisville, and this is your social studies enrichment activity. On your choice board for social studies this week, you are to create a map of your home. This is a really great activity, and I hope you all had a chance to do that. If you haven't, please just pause the video and come back later. Now, for this enrichment activity, we're actually going to talk about how to read a map. Now, as you can see on the screen, I have a map of lakeside campgrounds. There's a lot of really great features about this map. One that I want to tell you is that the map is actually showing as if you were standing up really high in the sky and looking down. We call this a bird's eye view. Another thing this map has is this over here to the right. This is called a key. Now, a key has symbols that are represented with words. As you can see on the map, there's no words. That would be very confusing. So a key uses symbols and places it on the map. When you don't know what something is, let's say this right here, we'll look over here to the key and see that that represents the tents. Another feature on this map is this right here. Although it is not filled out, this is a very important factor to giving directions. Let's take a look on the next page. That cross was actually called a compass rose. A compass rose has 4 directions. Up top is north. Down below is south. To the right is east. To the left is west. How people remember this is that they use words. Never eat soggy waffles. As it goes in order, never eat soggy waffles. Everyone has different ways of remembering a compass rose. I always know that north is up top and south is below, and that the east and the west may get confusing, but I know if I put the W over here and the E over there, it spells we. And that's how I remember it. So if you can come up with your own, that would be great. Now the compass rose is really super important when we come to actually reading a map. As you can see, I have my lakeside campground map and my compass rose. Let's say that I'm over here staying in the cabins. I want to visit my friend over in the tents. Which direction would I walk in to get to the tents? Take a look at the compass. Which direction would I walk in to get to the tents? That's right, you would walk east. To the right. Now let's say I'm staying in the tents and I have a friend that is staying in the camping trailers. Which direction would I walk in from the tents to get to the camping trailer? That's right, I would walk north. On your enrichment assignment, you'll have to give directions to specific spots on the map. The compass rose will be there, as well as the words north, south, east, and west, and you place it where it goes. I hope this activity has been fun. We really miss you guys. We hope you're healthy and safe. We love you, Klondike Bears. Go Cards!